Good morning, guys. Welcome to science class. Does air have weight? That's our topic today. What do you think? Does air have weight?
Yes,
Yes.
because
In
let's say a bottle. Let's say a bottle with no water. With no water. Pero how you say tapa in English?
the top, or yeah,
Top that is so it's closed but with on the air, and you put it of something of
like
to measure.
if you try to squish the bottle. I have an empty bottle
Yes,
here.
if you look, and if you try to fresh it, there's air. And if you
Yeah,
put it in a weight thing, a weight machine that can see how much weight you have,
and a
that
prison.
bottle it can be a little bit of weight, but it has.
But what are you talking about? It's space. This bottle is, well, not completely full, but it has some air inside because I am squeezing the bottle, but
But
I
you
cannot,
cannot touch your fingers.
yes, I cannot squeeze it, completely squeeze the bottle because it has air inside. So that proves that air has mass, that air takes up space. But the questions now is if air have weight, if it is heavy or not, or if I can tell you I need 1 kilogram of air when we talk about weight, peso. Okay, that was the question. So Maria Jose says yes. Adriana, hello. Since you connected, I have just seen the sun you have on the wall. Adriana. So that's my question. Does air have weight? Maria Jose say yes. And the rest of the students, what do you think? Does air have weight?
Yes.
Yeah, you think it does?
Yes.
Okay,
No.
now, okay, we have different opinions. Let's watch this video
Yay! The
to
guy of
see,
yesterday again.
to see, to answer the question. Let's watch this video. So as we saw in the video, actually air has mass. We saw in the video that there were two balloons, okay, with air on a scale or a ruler. Then one of the balloons was empty, the other one has air, so it was heavier, the size with the balloon with air. And the empty balloon, the side with the empty balloon was lighter. So those air have weight, yes or no? Yes. Even though air is usually invisible, because sometimes the air has smoke, okay, even though air is usually invisible, so most of us don't give it much thought at all. In fact, when students are asked about the mass or weight of air, many are perplexed. Air seems like it doesn't have mass, but it does. It does. So mass is the amount of matter in an object. Air is matter and has weight. Air is a real substance and it has weight. That is why it weighs 14.7 pounds per square inch at sea level. What scientists mean when they give this figure is that if a column of air, 1 square inch in size from sea level to the top of the atmosphere above Earth will weigh 13.7 pounds. Okay, from the sea level to the top of the atmosphere. That square, that let's say piece of space can weigh 14 pounds. 14 libras. How can you prove that air has weight? In the balloon balance experiment, this one, we are blowing up balloons, 2 balloons. When blow up balloons, the air is entering inside them and making the balloon expand. So this shows that the air occupies space, which eventually proves that it has weight. Did you do the drawings? You have to do
Drawing
this.
the diagram A. I'm drawing the diagram A.
Yeah, Fernanda, you are not drawing. You have to do this one.
We need to copy the information.
The information inside the box.
Yes.
You have to copy the information inside the box.
Okay.
Maria Fernanda, you are not drawing. You have to do the drawing. This one, the box, you are gonna copy everything. Air has mass, diagram A, you draw the 2 balloons. The blue balloon is then deflated. No, you don't have to copy the information in the yellow part, just the information inside the box. And the drawings of diagram A and diagram B. I think when we just first connected to this class, I saw Gabriel, but now he's not here. Sebastián, where are you? Laying down. Bueno, you have to send me picture into Schoology.
38.
Because I just asked for a simple drawing and you're not working, Sebastián.
Okay. 84. 84. 86. Ahí se equivocó, puso 5, 10, 6.
Show me your drawing, Sebastián.
Two.
Finish, Miss.
Excellent.
Look.
Are you working, Ala?
Yes, I finished.
Okay. And you color, right? It is a very simple drawing. You need to color.
Look, Miss.
Showing me. What color the balloons, please?
33.
Color the balloons. If you don't have orange and blue, you can use any other 2 colors, but use 2 different colors, please.
I use violet and green.
Violet and green. Yeah, no problem. Violet and green. It is not necessary to use the same colors, but use 2 different colors. So using this very simple experiment, we can prove that air has weight. Air has weight. It was very, very easy. You can practice, you can try to do it at home, or also you can try to do the other experiment, remember? the empty bottle with a paper ball.
I made it yesterday.
You blow it.
When I was
you blow it,
downstairs alone.
and the piece of paper is going to be out. Why? Because air is pushing the paper ball. And instead of being inside, it's outside. But you have to explain and learn that what was the science? Well, air pushes the paper ball outside of the bottle. Because the bottle is full with air. If you blow up, you are trying to introduce more air. So the air pushes out the paper. Who is making the drawing?
I am in end of experiment.
End of experiment. The blue balloon and then deflated.
Aguacate.
I changed the color, missing the part that said the blue balloon. I changed it to the red balloon.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. Someone says aguacate. I think it was Alan. Finish, Sebastian? I need to
Me
change
finish,
this.
Alan.
And you are distracted, Sebastian.
Miss,
Okay, Alan. Thank you. Oh, and you were mentioned aguacate.
yes,
Avocado.
Look, miss, look.
I like aguacate.
Avocado. Okay. Yes, diagram A and diagram B.
I love that too.
Diagram A and diagram B. Okay. Finish, Sebastian. Remember that I am waiting. So which video did you like the most? The ones that I presented
Yesterday, because it was longer.
Yeah, it was very interesting. Remember what happened with the egg?
Oh yes, that is correct.
Remember what happened with the egg?
Yes, I want to try that at home, but the
I
videos
was
are
surprised. I was surprised when the man introduced 2 little candles in the egg
How did he put it inside?
and then put it inside the bottle. Remember that the bottle was upside down. Estaba al revés. Excellent, Adriana. Thank you. And the egg goes inside the bottle, even though the bottle was upside down. That was very interesting. Very interesting
Yes.
experiment.
But I like the 2 videos yesterday and today.
Yeah, very interesting.
Oh,
Lyrics.
Please, we're gonna copy
I
more.
think it's
No, Sebastian, show me your work because you are distracted again. So I want to know if you're already finished.
I really
Where is, but Sebastian, where is the drawing? I didn't said copy the information. So I said make the drawing, not the information. Are you copying information? Take a picture. Because that's what I need, the drawings, not the information. See that you are not listening to me? Sorry, but you are not listening to me.
ahorita nos va a despachar.
Oh, let's do this one. Help me out. Find the words.
Wow.
You're able.
I want find the word.
You are able.
Miss, I can
Yeah.
see one, I can see one.
You are able to make lines. Oh, pressure. Excellent, Maria Jose. Cool, Melanie. Adriana, pressure. Oh, but it's low pressure, Adriana. Exactly. Air. Ivana. Excellent, Ivana. High pressure. High pressure, yes. What did you find, Sebastian? Oh, temperature. Excellent, temperature. Crystal. Warm. Excellent, Crystal.
These are making too big.
And it's Celsius. Someone found Celsius.
These are making some lines are too. Did I under? And why you don't? We say you, and you're right. Because these are completely disordered.
I'm going to show you
Oh,
later
yeah.
on. Don't worry. Okay, I am
Oh,
going to
yeah.
erase. I think you already found all of them. What is this one? This one that is enclosed here. Ant. Or if you read it from the end from right to left, I think it does not make sense. And what about this one? Okay, let me erase.
I don't know.
But because
why I
someone, okay, let's see where they are, because some of you found,
Air.
okay, air is here.
In the second line of up is
Air,
Oh, I found
high pressure.
high pressure. Air,
Two airs.
second one, air pressure.
High pressure too.
In the first one, cold. In the first
Yeah,
one.
warm is here.
Celsius too.
Warm was here. Warm. Someone found warm here. Adriana, I think it was. No, Crystal found warm.
Yes, Crystal.
Cool here. Hot. I think no one found hot.
I found it.
Oh, yes. Hot
Oh,
is
yes,
here.
yes. Oh, yes.
Thermometer here. Temperature. Sebastian found temperature. High pressure. Second line. Low pressure. And Celsius here. Celsius there. Great. It was great, right? So you did it. Good job, class.
Yes.
Good job, class. So thank you for your attention, guys.